Ducatis are known to heat up, and in our traffic is the worst.
We have a beautiful Hypermotard 950 here and a lovely owner.
Hi, I'm Dhruv Chaudhuri. I'm a fitness professional, and this is my Hypermotard 950 937cc L twin cylinder. It puts out about 114 bhp. To put it in one word, this bike is just fun.
How long have you owned the bike?
I've owned this bike about 8 to 9 months. The kilometers are 3,500.
And how has your experience been so far?
I have no complaints. Like, it's just super fun to ride. Because I come from a 959 Panigale. Sold that bike because it's unrideable in the city and it heats up too much. The potholes are too bad. So it was just lying in the garage, and I just come and look at it every day. Like, no, I can't ride it today. It's too aggressive. It's more of a track bike. But now it's so crowded even on the highways. The roads are so bad. So it makes no sense. And I don't understand anyone who buys a super sport. So I switched to something that is more rideable in the city.
So switching from Panigale to Hypermotard, has there been any difference in ownership basically?
In terms of maintaining it, no. Since it's a fairly new bike, I haven't faced any issues yet. If you want to get from point A to point B in the quickest and the most amount of fun you want to have, this is the bike for you. So it's not a beginner bike at all. Since I come from a Panigale, it was a little easier for me to maneuver the bike. It doesn't feel like it's about 200 kg. Very good in the corners and just wants to pop wheelies all the time.
So do you think the heating is better managed in the Hypermotard than the Panigale?
That was the first thing that I wanted to check. Legacy Motors, they were very nice to give me a test ride bike, which they don't give everyone. They gave it to me for 2 days. I just wanted to check the rideability and the heat. That was my main concern because Ducatis are known to heat up, and in our traffic is the worst. But surprisingly, the heat management is super. It reaches about 103 degrees, then the fan kicks in and it just comes back down.
How often do you take this bike out on a week?
I ride it every day.
Oh, every day?
Yeah, I go to work, come back, pop some wheelies.
Ultimate food machine.
Yeah.
And have you kept track of what fuel efficiency you're getting on this bike?
Yeah, it's about 13.
Coming from Panigale to Hypermotard, your main purpose was rideability, and of course the way it's jacked up, it's very easy to handle the roads of Pune.
Very easy, and the fun factor, because it produces the torque from 3000 RPM onwards. Whereas the Panigale, you needed to really open the throttle. This is just like, this wants to go. You can't ride slow on this bike. It will not let you ride slow. So that's the problem with the bike. I think that's the main issue with the bike. If I've had a tiring day and I just want to relax and ride something very slowly and come home easy, this doesn't let you do that. I think that's my only complaint about the bike.
It's an aggressive Doberman of a bike.
Very aggressive. I don't know if you can count it as a negative though.
And would you recommend your bike to anyone who's looking at a Hypermotard 950?
I would recommend, but if you're buying a bike for the first time, this is not the bike.
Of course.
You need to get used to the power, the whole bike, the setup, because it's very high. I mean, if you've got experience with other bikes, big bikes, and you just want to have fun, go from point A to point B fast, just enjoy yourself, slide, do wheelies, yeah, this is the bike for you.
And is there any machine that you're looking forward to after this? I know you just recently got the Hypermotard, you're still in the honeymoon phase, but
not really. I mean, I don't do too much of track, too much of long distance touring. I did go to Goa once on this, and it was not too bad. On the ghats, the corners were superb, and I didn't even feel too much of a wind blast. I mean, it does everything for me.
I see. And how much would you rate your Hypermotard experience out of 10 so far?
10.
10 on 10. No falls at all.
No.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so
It was
much.
lovely meeting you and your Hypermotard.
Thank you so much.